Hey guys, Jeremy Town, Local 18, NEEP instructor on the lesson of series parallel circuits, audio portion of this learning assignment. And we're going to see if we can learn this series parallel circuit with some discussions. So here we go. Today we're going to be using the NEEP website, the NEEP instructional software for circuit diagrams and circuit parallel number 5. And there is a demonstration of the expected circuit we're going to be tested on today. And there's all the required categories that are going to get filled out today that I was able to work through. And let's see if we can take observation of the circuit and notice that there's 4 resistors, 2 resistors in parallel with 1 resistor and 1 series resistor in line with the rest of the circuit. So we can see that from the observations that they gave us some information that we was able to use to plug in, and this is the matrix chart that I like to use. The E category is the voltage drop across all the resistors and the resistance value total, or the total of the circuit. The I is for the current, and the R is for the resistance, and I'm able to put the watts in there as well. And we can use the pi formula to figure out what's going on there. And obviously we're going to be using the series parallel rules, where the R2 and R4 are going to be added together because series resistors are added, and R2 and R4 would be in parallel with R3, so we'll have to make sure that we sequence the orders of operations correctly there. And part of the original given variables in this was they did give me the current that was going across R1, so that R1 value current was something I already had, which eventually led me to be able to observe what the voltage drop was off of it, because I was able to finally figure out what my total circuit resistance was based on the total circuit resistance that I could come up with the given resistors of R2, R3, and R4, with the rules applied to figure out what that was. And so I was able to determine what the R1 unknown resistance value was and plug in my formulas. And that basically is the conversation of how I worked through this semi-difficult problem. So yeah, it's a good audio lesson, and hopefully that works out for you. All right, have a good one.